This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the South Loop at a fabulous location at 820 South Michigan, an all-new building that has Grant Park as its front yard, and it can be your front yard. Terrific location with steps to access to public transit, dining, nightlife, shopping. South Loop will surprise you if you haven't been here before. I've just met up with Lisa, who's going to tell me what we're looking at here.
Well, hello. Yes, we are looking at our one bedroom. This is our apartment 706. All of our appliances are brand new. We're looking at our GE refrigerator, dishwasher, flat top stove, and convection microwave. Follow me and we'll head down the hallway.
But first I want to stop and take a look back at that great wall of window looking out toward the park. And I want to note that you've got extremely high ceilings here.
Yes, we have extremely high ceilings. As you can see, plenty of natural light. Our floor plan is very open.
The kitchen has a pantry cabinet, so a terrific amount of storage.
Next, we're going to head into our one bedroom. As you can see, it would fit a full to queen size. We also have wire rack storage, and then there is storage on top of the closet as well. This is our restroom area. As you can see, it's got a nice tub shower with shelving, also plenty of light, and furnished with modern cabinetry.
And you have designer hardware fixtures and wall-mounted medicine cabinet for additional storage. A lot of nice little touches in these units here.
Please call us or email us. We'd love to show you around.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.